Not practice. I found the note. But since he wouldn't take it, Paula, I'm going to give it to you, okay?
Oh, my.
Read it to the scumbag.
Is this all about last night?
It's all about last night.
Is this you? Last night must have been something else. You're still carrying on about it.
This is
Was,
funny.
but then he-
Paula, go out there. Go out to the American Idol.
Simon, I think you're so hot. I love the way you wear your pants so high. They make your tush look biteable.
Oh.
You're a lot smaller in real life, but I'm sure you make up for it in other ways. Wow. You know what? I want to get together with you. I want you to tell me how he makes up for it in other ways.
Oh, God.
This is priceless. I'm keeping this.
Are you, wait a minute. I don't,
You can
Paula.
keep him, too.
Paula, wait. I don't understand this. Are you talking the Angry Inch? The Angry Inch?
He's on the metric scale in England. It's a centimeter.
So how did he make up for it?
Well, does this thing
Can
with
I
my
leave back to
toes?
London tonight?
He does a thing with your toes.
With my toes.
Wow.
But so does fungus. Paula, she's all yours.
Gee, thanks. Thanks.
Brilliant.
Oh, I love it. I love it. The fury. Oh,
You're a little bit small in person, but
not small, but you make up for in other ways. That was rough. When's the next plane
It's
flight?
supposed to be a serious talent show.